Hi, I'm 𝗕𝗲𝗁𝗍𝗂, founder and artist of the 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗃 store, and I welcome you to the chapter 1 of my Ornate Mandala course. But firstly, I want to ask you, what is mandala? And now you will say mandala is a design that is created using circle and that represents unity, wholeness, and that is considered to be as a meditative tool, right? But then what is traditional mandala and what is ornate mandala? Confusing, right? I will tell you. As we all know, mandala is an Indian art form, right? So we ourselves have divided and categorized this mandala art into the different type of mandala arts that we create. Like we create 3D mandala, we create animal mandala, sacred mandala, traditional mandala, and ornate mandala. All these kinds of mandala art comes under the term mandala. So mandala is an art, or you can say a design, that is created using circular patterns, correct? So let's talk about traditional mandala. So traditional mandala is created using geometric shapes like circles, triangles, and then we create patterns inside them, as you can see in this traditional mandala. It is also considered to be as the tool for meditation, and it is deeply rooted into Hinduism and Buddhism. So now let's take a look at another mandala. As you can see, I have taken a center focused point from where these patterns are coming, these shapes are coming. I have created the circle, then I have created these triangles, and then I have created the patterns inside it. So when we talk about ornate mandala, it also has its foundation from traditional mandala only. It is also created taking a center point and then we create layers inside it. So let's take a look at an easy ornate mandala. So just like traditional mandala, ornate mandala also has a sense of symmetry and a sense of balance, as both traditional and ornate mandala are created taking a center focused point, and then we create the designs inside out, as you can see. The difference is traditional mandala is generally created using simple geometric patterns, but the ornate mandala is created using complex patterns. While traditional mandala focus on geometric clarity, where ornate mandala embrace complexity. We generally use vibrant colors in ornate mandala than we use in traditional mandala. So now let's take a look at traditional mandala and ornate mandala together to have a better understanding. As you can see, these traditional mandalas are generally simple as compared to the ornate mandalas. Ornate mandalas are generally complex. As you can see, the intricacies, the layers, and these are generally created with vibrant colors than the traditional mandalas. In traditional mandalas, we use basic geometric shapes and then we create patterns inside them. Like I have used circle, then I have used triangle, and then I have created the patterns. But in this one, I have taken this as a center and then I have created a circle and then some layering patterns with so much of detailed work. Traditional mandalas are generally considered to be as the tool for meditation, but ornate mandalas are used more for creating beauty and joy, since these are considered to be as a decorative design. So now I hope you have a better understanding about traditional mandala and ornate mandala. And before we proceed further with the other chapters, I would like to brief you about what we are going to learn. In the next coming chapters, we will dive deeper into how to create your own hundreds of ornate mandalas, where I will be teaching you from concept to creation, along with the study materials that I have personally created for you to practice and learn. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next chapters. If you wish to purchase this whole course, then just message us on Instagram, the 𝗙𝗏𝗄𝗃 store, or WhatsApp us. Details are mentioned in the description. Why to wait? Register now.